Hello, my name is Bruce. I'm a Michigan resident. I would like to share a quick story with you about how I went from a low-paying job to working a job that actually pays enough for me to pay for housing, clothing, food, transportation, insurance, entertainment, vacations, and still have enough left over to put into my savings account. After struggling financially for years, one day I met an independent insurance adjuster. It was a day that I will never forget, because it was on that day that I was finally introduced to a profession that not only paid good money, I could enter into the field without having to go back to college. As a matter of fact, my first paycheck was more than I had ever made with my college degree. And trust me when I tell you, to become eligible to work as an independent insurance adjuster did not require a lot of time or money. Another thing that I like about the independent insurance field is the travel. In my first year, I was able to work in New York City, Detroit, San Francisco, and Houston, Texas. I made around $20,000 in 6 weeks, and this was with no experience. Now, I must admit, after getting into this field, I have found myself coming across people who I know personally, and some that I have simply come across in public that are struggling financially just like I was. I would be eager to tell them about the independent insurance adjuster field. I have spoke to some who simply listened to the information and continued on doing whatever they were doing, and I have spoke to some who listened and expressed interest in getting into this field. The ones who expressed interest and took the initiative to meet the qualifications are glad they did. If you are a Michigan resident, you are only required to pass the state's written exam and register on a national database for licensed insurance adjusters. The cost for me at the time that I tested and registered was around $70. That said, the question becomes, how will you acquire the knowledge to pass the written exam? There is an online course that I recommend. The online course is self-paced and can be completed in a few days. The course will not only prepare students to take the Michigan exam, it provides information on how to register for and where to take the exam. If you're interested in taking an online study course that will assist you in preparing to take the Michigan Independent Insurance Adjuster exam, click the link below. Don't miss out.